Hi, today I'm going to talk through changing the bulbs on my X-Type. So this is the driver's side sidelight. That round cap needs turning about 10 to 15 degrees and it's quite tight. So the sidelight sits at about 2 o'clock on the front, so on the back that's about 11 o'clock. You can't really see it when you're wiggling your hand around there. The bulb and bulb holder pop out, but it takes about 50% more force than I was really comfortable with. Here's the bulb. I handle them using a clean cloth so that the oil of my fingers doesn't get on the glass, as it will damage the bulbs when they get hot. Once it's in, I quickly check it's good. It's difficult to see in the sunshine. The new one is less diffuse and gives a brighter point of light, so I think it is easier to see in the daytime. The passenger side is mostly the same, but it is a little bit harder to get to. If you remove the battery cover and I have very slim hands, you might just be able to wiggle in. I can get my hand in, but I don't have enormously big hands. So really you need to remove the battery. You want a 10mm socket, remove the live and tuck it somewhere safe, then the ground. Undo the retaining strap, which is also 10mm. There's a breather pipe on the front right hand corner that I'm skillfully hiding with my body here. There's a wire going to the battery cover box. Mine was stiff, and because it was so cold I didn't want to snap it. The headlights are a bit easier, especially with the battery off. Again, at a pinch you might just be able to do it without removing the battery, but once it's off it's fairly easy to do. There's a clip on each side of the cover and it should come out. Okay, so I removed the clip before pulling the power wire. Don't do that. The white one is part of the lamp, and I unplugged it really just so that you could see what was happening a bit better. The brown one's on the bulb. Clip sides push down and then curve out. Once the new bulb is in, replace the battery and check it's good. The driver's side is harder to get to. Again, 2 clips in the corner. I couldn't get the cover out, just check the rubber seal is seated correctly to prevent water getting in. You have to do this but by feel. Unplug the brown one and unhook the 2 side clips of the bulb. I don't know what was in before, but I put in Osram night breakers. They're definitely brighter. It's easier to see the muddy road markings at night.